Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and I just wanted to walk up and show you the the rails that we're making per the bulletin. So these are the cross support rails. So when we come across a unit that has frame cracks in them, as part of that procedure, it's basically to take a piece of 2-inch box tube steel. We cut it to the proper length in between the axles for the hangers, and then the guys cut like a little 45 plates. So if you can see that, they cut 45 plates. They weld it on the outside, they weld it on the inside, and then they tack weld them at the bottoms, which you can see where they tack welded and tack welded. But that's basically, in a nutshell, this is in lieu of, I guess you'd call it the MORryte X Factor braces. So, but this is something that Lippert has us do during that bulletin. And so if you look at some of our other videos, you'll see where we've already installed these in. So if you don't already, if you already have frame cracks, this is going to be part of that repair, or at least that's what they've been allowing us to do. If you don't have frame cracks, we would suggest that you either, build these and install them yourself, or, have a shop do it, or install the MORryte X cross braces in place. And so anyways, stay tuned for more. Hopefully this helps you out. And like I said, this is just 2x2 box inch steel. I don't remember the thickness on there offhand, but as you can see, it's probably about as thick as a quarter or a nickel, something along that line. So, all right, stay tuned for more, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.